Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Our government spent a whopping over 5.5 crores on the swearing-in ceremony of Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and his 8 ministers, revealed that the whole process was not transparent and there was no accountability. The whole contract was given to an event management company from Vasco, which I am informed is owned by a close relative of a senior BJP leader. Such a huge expense could have been incurred when the Goa State Exchequer is totally bankrupt. It is unacceptable that when poor people for their social welfare benefits are waiting for 5 months, their benefits have not been paid, that this government had the audacity to start its term in office by incurring 5.5 crores on the swearing-in ceremony.
मीडियान बीजेपी प्रदेशाध्यक्षाक हे विशीं विचारले.
So how you look at it? Because when the government is in the financial crunches, social service welfare scheme also have been stopped. How you look at this?
कशें आसा पळय तें जावन गेलें न्ही, आज कितें आहा तें नको, पूण एखादें ग्रँड म्हणजे तिसऱ्या वेळार एखादी सत्ता येवप हें म्हाका दिसता हाचे पयलीं जावना. आनी त्यामुळे देशाचो पंतप्रधान आनी देशांतले केंद्रांतले मंत्री जर एखाद्या फंक्शनाक येवपाक सोदतात जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता डेफिनेटली करपाक जाय आनी मोठ्या प्रमाणान लोकांनी यश दिल्लें आसा आनी त्या यशाक लागून डेफिनेटली जें केल्लें आसा तें योग्य केल्लें आसा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.